Well, when you're creating a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, it is always include a watermark at the bottom right corner of the picture. So this is true even if you're paying for the Google AI Pro subscription on your account. But there are some places that lets you generate a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, but without including any watermark, and you can use them completely for free. And these tools are actually being provided by Google. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, but of course, without including the watermark into the content. Now, just to clarify, this video is talking about Gemini Nano Banana Pro with pictures using Gemini Nano Banana Pro without watermark. So the first tool that you can try is called Google Float. So navigate to labs.google/fx/tool/flow. And by the way, I'm going to provide all the links in the description down below. Now after that, you can start a new project or you can open the project that you have on your account. And after that, select create image and you can insert the prompt that you want to turn into a picture. And after that, as you can see here, I'm using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. You can click this and select the aspect ratio, select the number of outputs or images, and just send the message. Now, this is actually a great tool because it does include annotations that lets you modify the picture accurately. But there is one caveat. Right now, even though it is using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, the resolution is not 4K, it is not even 2K. In fact, the resolution is actually 1K, which is basically the same as the regular Nano Banana. So it is not going to be the best quality or the best resolution, but at least it is using the Pro model, and also you can download the picture to your computer. So that was the first tool. The second tool that you can try is Google Slides. So navigate to slides.google.com, and after that you can start a new document. I'm going to click this, and I guess I'll just start with a blank slide. So to access the Gemini Nano Banana tool, you can click this banana icon and select image, and after that you can insert your own prompt. By the way, I guess I'll change the prompt a bit. I will change the color to brown, and you can select the aspect ratio. You can also choose the style of picture, but that is completely optional. After that, send a message and wait. Now, just like the version on Google Flow, in Google Slides, Gemini Nano Banana Pro is actually using or providing a picture with 1K resolution. So it is not 4K, not even 2K, but just 1K. Not the sharpest picture, but I guess it is totally fine for creating some illustration in for your presentation document. So yeah, we got this result. Okay, as you can see, no watermark whatsoever. Now let's continue to the third tool, and the third tool is Google Feeds, and the URL is feeds.google.com. This is not very popular, and for a good reason, because even though you can create a picture using the model, it's not the sharpest picture. It is not even close to the previous tools. So I'll start with a blank video, and to create a picture using the Nano Banana Pro model, click Insert, and then click Generate an Image, and after that you can insert the prompt, select aspect ratio, and you can add some style if you want to, and then you can click create. So the picture here, even though it is indeed 1K resolution, it is actually less sharp. It is not the same quality as Google Flow or Google Slides, and you will see it later. But in return, it actually generates 4 pictures at the same time. So it is not one picture, it is 4 pictures, which means you can get different variation and you can choose which one you think looks the greatest. As you can see, no watermark, but the pictures are not very sharp. It's kind of blurry, and the facial texture is very smooth compared to, let's say, Google Flow, where you can see the details of the face. So yeah, that's just one thing to note. Now, that was the third tool, but there is actually another tool that I do recommend, because even though it is not from Google, it is free and it is just as easy as when you're using it in the Gemini AI. So the name of the tool is LM Arena. So lmarena.ai, and you can actually create a picture without creating an account. So that's one benefit of using this tool. But you can, of course, just create an account and then you can save your chat later. Now click Battle, click Direct Chat, and then select the Gemini model. It is Gemini 3 Pro model. And then click Generate Images, and you can provide the prompt. And I guess I'll change the color of the hair to white. That's going to be interesting. Send a message and just wait. So this is actually a platform if you want to play around with some models from different companies. And also you can check the benchmark of each model. So this is actually a really fun tool to use. And I do really like the fact that they're actually allowing everyone to create a picture using various models or just use or test various models from different companies. And it is free, although uh, the speed here really depends on how much people actually using the platform at the same time. So sometimes it can be slow, sometimes it can be fast, but at least it is completely free. And of course, there is no watermark. So yeah, these are some amazing tools that you can try to generate pictures using Gemini Nano Banana Pro without adding the watermark into the picture. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.